Select ScanbodyXchanger. Select the model file that you want to do a ScanBody exchange. Select the ScanBody top surface. And now select the implant manufacturer. Implant connection. Implant platform. ScanBody manufacturer. Click Next to continue. Choose the ScanBody you would like to perform the change. Click Exchange Scan Bodies. Now the ScanBody has been changed. You can download the file to your computer.